was thinking I was gonna dedicate this one to all the haters. Y'all gonna show y'all some love. Y'all heard me? Let's get it. Beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Say what, say what? Guys, I have a crazy situation right now because even though in my garage right now there's two freaking absolutely dope WRXs that, okay, yeah, sure, they need some work and everything, but still, they're still there and they're awesome and they're WRXs and they freaking go hard. They're all-wheel drive, they're turbo, they're sexy, they're cool, but I have been missing a certain car that I really wish I never sold, which was my fake Evo, the Evo Killer. But what if I was to actually get a real Evo? There's an opportunity, but I would have to get rid of these bad boys. This right here, this car is the reason why I can't get Evo out of my freaking mind, and it freaking is mental because this wasn't even a real Evo. It was a freaking fake Evo, a Lancer, freaking 2011 CJ Lancer. Yeah, sure, it still has some of the Evo DNA because there's a lot of similarities in the design. Obviously, they're basically the same car, except for the Evo actually has the wide body and of course that turbo engine juiciness. But this car looked like an Evo and it definitely was a lot of fun to drive, and it just got me hungry for freaking Evo madness. I really want to get an Evo, especially since I drove a rally art one day with the turbo action and I was like, dude, if this is what an Evo is going to be like times 5, then sign me up. And now I have an opportunity to get an Evo at a pretty good price, but I would have to make some hard decisions, and but by watching this video, I think we may have another solution. I don't know. Let's watch this. Let's see, because we're either going to get an Evo or maybe do another freaking build again. I don't know. I should have never really got rid of this bad boy, but check her out. I put a lot of work into this car, and I don't think anyone really appreciates just how much work I put into this bad boy. I mean, I completely built this car from the ground up and did so much to it, you know, internally, or I should say interior wise, completely stripped this bad boy out. As you can see there, I freaking did door trims, I did freaking the absolute freaking seats and the freaking panels and trims and freaking the roof lining. I mean, I did everything inside this car, and a lot of the work, or I should say probably all of the work, I did myself. It was a passion project though, because I was determined to build something that was better than an actual Evo. That's why it was called the Evo Killer.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently, thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
Freaking, you would think it seems like it'd be easy enough, but man, it's actually a pain in the butt. There's a couple really hard things that you have to get out. These couple clips over here by the visor are freaking insanely hard. They're the hardest part, really. I recommend if you do this, if you have spare clips, would be great, because then you could just probably break a couple just to speed the process along, man. But anyways, did it. Super proud right now. I'm super proud, guys. Look at that's brand new in there. Woo, baby, that looks sexy.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Alright, what's up, guys? So as I said earlier, we've got the freaking dope Evo 10 front spoiler getting ready to go on the car, and it is sexy. Check it out. That's it right there in its glory. That, I'm going to throw that metal mesh in the center part there. And this is the last time that this front will be on the car. Okay guys, so we got the front off. Looks like a drift car now. Look at that, the drift build is happening. We tapped. Anyways, that's crazy. Alright guys, I know you've been waiting. This is the moment you've been waiting for. This is the big reveal. Special thanks to the homie freaking Nathan. Do you want to be on camera? Anyways, Nathan's my top secret, like, freaking MacGyver of car stuff. Like, he knows the, like, he's just a genius, man. Like, he's very humble though. But anyways, guys, we finally have the reveal. Check it out. So there's a couple more things we gotta still do, little final touches and make it perfect, but as you can see, it looks dope! Anyways, guys, I have nothing else to say. I'm out.
Senti brame e pensi che campione, che fresco. Io che metto cuore e anima nel testo. Questi rapper cagne col bastone le cresco. Stai mettendo il lupo col pastore tedesco. Ti mangio come nigiri, da che ti suicidi siamo i ferri corti. Tanto inutile che fai girino, non fare girino. Non affari pezzi, ci faremo soldi, sì che li faremo. Frate milionari come Gerry Scotti. Fra ci fai bocchini, sì ci fai bocchini. Guerri vari fini però perdi mezzi. È inutile che bussi, c'hai i portoni rotti. Dai non fate truzzi, vende sopra gli occhi. Io voglio la bussi, tipo sopra i lotti. Tu frate vuoi puffi come giovanotti. Se mi vedi morto, fra poco ti svegli. Io non abbaio, mordo e se rimo li uccido. Io voglio molto, perciò non mi prendi. 2 note e soldo, scelgo il mio destino. Ricorda nella vita sono tutti infami. Invece noi no, noi siamo minfa. Cifra nella vita sono tutti infami. Noi no, noi siamo minfa. Questi sono giù da giù da giù da giù. Io vengo da giù da giù da giù da giù.
Now, a lot of people would see this car and think it was an Evo, but, you know, it wasn't. But when they said it, of course, I would go along with it because, hey, man, why not feel cool for a moment? But seriously speaking, I am considering freaking just getting an Evo, an actual real one. And yeah, if I have to trade in a lot of my other cars to make it happen, I mean, it would be worth it, right? Right? Right?
Se dico che i soldi li faccio, io questi babbe li mangio. Cifra non lo sanno fare, mi sono ad intraccio. Li prendo in ostaggio, li ammazzo, le rime che chiudo. Le basi di atrás che spacco, sono una razza di pazzo. La tua ragazza lo so cosa vuole, il fallo laterale, non parlo di Ricorda nella vita sono tutti infami. Ma noi no, noi siamo minfa. Ricorda nella vita sono tutti infami. Noi no, noi siamo minfa. Sì, questi qua sono Giuda, lo giuro perché sono Giuda. Sì, questi qua sono Giuda, lo giuro perché sono Giuda. Io vengo da giù, loro sono Giuda. Io vengo da giù mentre loro sono Giuda. Ricorda nella vita sono tutti infami. Invece noi no, noi siamo minfa. Cifra nella vita sono tutti infami. Noi no, noi siamo minfa. Questi sono giù da giù da giù da giù. Io vengo da giù da giù da giù da giù. Questi sono giù da giù da giù da giù. Io vengo da giù da giù